Welcome back to another walkabout with Google Doogle. Enjoy the walk with me. We're at the Taal Monument. It's a perfect day if you look around us. Looking towards Franschhoek over there. Good enough to me. Wow. You can perhaps hear the aircraft overhead, a light aircraft there. Let's go and have a look. The Taal Monument. First time I've been here in a couple of years. The Taal, the reason for that was to the Dutch in the days they built this, it was the language. And so by definition, the one to be spoken by early Afrikaner descendants of the Dutch, Huguenot settlers. There seems to have been some rivalry between the Dutch and French settlers, so French was restricted to some extent, and the new language, the Taal, became the lingua franca. Onward and upward. Long way up. Coming up to the top of the staircase here, going through the tunnel. Sounds quite busy down there. They're strumming. It's a bit noisy at the moment. It's quite a lot of history. I'll tell you about that later, these little mounds. It's a long way up there. Franschhoek Valley towards Olifantshoek, where the Dutch chased the last of the elephants over the mountain to the interior. For some reason. And that was the last time we saw elephants in the Cape. Around about the early 1800s, long before I was around. Here we go, let's go inside. I hear water. When you look up here, we've got the fountain of the waters of life. Going straight up. Oh my! Getting busy looking up. Lovely amphitheatre down there as you're coming up the road leading to the monument. We might film that some other time. There's the Bamantia orchid. Bohemia orchid. Indigenous to the Cape. You'll have seen that at Kirstenbosch Gardens. As you come in, you turn to the right, more Bohemias. A kind of orchid family, I believe. There's the strelitzias. There's a lot of olive trees around as well, I noticed that.
antwoord. Check out the Paarl from there.
Yeah, you can see Paarl from the deck. It's now we can see the toilets from here.
Very interesting.
Totally. Vitally important. It would appear we close this episode with a loo break, but nonetheless, that's the end of this episode. Wait for the next one. I'll be taking a view from above using the drone and we'll have a look at that. But look at that. There's the Paarl Valley looking towards Tilbach.